Good morning. Someone forgot to close their bin extensions last night. That was me. Starting off the day good. Tessa is here today, so she was cleaning Hayden's cab, so I'll just clean mine and Jeff's. Whoops. Good morning. Can you tell everybody good morning? Oh, you got a sticker. You got a sticker. Okay, I'll let you get it. He's living his best life. Good food. Okay, scoot over. Alright. I got my helpers. Right? We're ready to roll. Okay, the last time you were with me, we were held out. We got caught in the storm in the combine. Just a little update on that. We went to the field yesterday for the first time, which was Mother's Day, and it was yielding around 40, and we just put one combine in it because we only had 4 passes left, 4 like half passes, and it was yielding 0. We moved to the field we're on right now. There's black dust. I don't know if the camera does that justice. It's all over the side of the combines. It's just gross. You saw it on my hands this morning trying to get in the combine. That is rust, and it's from having a lot of rain on it. But today is a new day, so we're back to cutting, and the acres are dwindling very fast here in South Texas. If we did not have to wait on trucks today, we can finish today. Is full. All 3 combines are full, and we're waiting on trucks. So there's only 2 things to do. Number 1, you see how dirty those mirrors are already? I'm gonna go clean them again. Not that it will do any good for long, because it's just gonna get dirty again. And I'm gonna let the doggies out. Do you need to go outside? Do you want to go potty? Or do you want to go check it out? This one doesn't run down like that, so I have to carry her. So okay. I mean, see? Are you ready to go get back in the combine? Debs, did you go potty? Man, I wish he could help. I could use his help. You're so cute. This is why I carry this on my ladder. Okay, see that? Looks like silage. And it gets really hot. At my arm. Gross. Okay, watch out. I need some dry wheat to run through here. Okay, do you see all the green in front of me? That is weeds inside the weeds. We are not cutting that. We are going to cut around it. The combines are just not made to digest weeds like that. Did I say something about it being a boring day earlier? That's what I get for saying that. My chopper's plugged again. Okay, so that was a little different than the first and however many times we've plugged our chopper. The inlet side of the chopper plugged instead of the outlet. So it was just sitting on top of the sieves. I had wet where the weeds, I went through weeds and it didn't go through. So then it started stacking dry on top of that. I've had it with weeds. I'm over it. Done with South Texas wheat harvest. Okay, so that is it for 2025 wheat harvest in South Texas. We do have a couple of new people that I will introduce. They're kind of just getting started today. One of them started yesterday, one of them started today, so kind of let them get a little more comfortable and then I'll introduce them. But anyways, we are adding to our crew. But anyway, the next thing we will do is get everything ready to move home to do harvest there. So super excited that we parked these in another sticker patch. These, y'all, seriously, look at how dirty. The chimney sweeper guy off of Mary Poppins to get out and touch that. I forgot to record, but it did put my header on the trailer. So we'll get it strapped down. I'm gonna hop off and clean this off real quick because it's just driving me crazy. Hayden and I have our headers off, but we were waiting on Cody to get back so that we could take Jeff's header off. He's going to get the trailer right now. Jeff has snacks. Where'd you get all that?
Mexico. You can pronounce it, you can have it.
Yeah. Okay, hang on.
He said that you and Hayden need a pig.
Well, these look the same.
And then Cody gets one.
You got a present from Jesse from Mexico.
What is that?
It's a cookie.
Is that ice cream?
No, it's a cookie.
I'm picking flowers for Tessa.
Oh, she's so lucky.
She is.
if he can put this on the trailer. We are loaded and ready to move back to the yard where we will load up to head home. Okay, we have made it to the yard. So that's gonna be it for tonight. Everything else will be done tomorrow. Behind the scenes, or in front of the scenes. And that's how it's done.